The Xfinity X1 4K DVR box and Xfinity Flex 4K streaming box allow you to watch ultra-high definition content with improved colors, contrast, and sharper detail. These devices from Xfinity support 4K resolution and HDR formats like Dolby Vision and HDR10, giving you a much better viewing experience when connected to a compatible TV. To enjoy these features, the box must be connected correctly with the right HDMI cable and activated with your Xfinity account. Once the setup is complete, you can stream live channels, on-demand shows, and apps directly on your TV. Step 1. Connect the Xfinity 4K box to your TV using an HDMI cable. Step 2. Plug in the power cord and turn on both the TV and the Xfinity box. Step 3. Use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input connected to the box. Step 4. Install the Xfinity app and sign in with your Xfinity account to activate the device. Step 5. Pair the Xfinity voice remote and follow the on-screen prompts to finish setup.